In creating your first visualization, you work through a number of common techniques used to create effective visualizations, from selecting an appropriate visualization for the data to changing colors and titles and adding appropriate trend lines. These techniques apply to any visualization program, but we are demonstrating the process using Power BI. In this video, you will learn how to duplicate your visualization and reconfigure it to focus on the effective tax rates for your firm by tax year. Like other visualization programs, once you have created your first visualization and customized the settings, Power BI makes it simple to duplicate the visualization so that you can efficiently examine your data. Right-click on the first tab and select the option to duplicate the page from Quick Menu. Right-click and choose the option to rename the page. Rename the page with your company instead of the industry. In my case, I'm going to be displaying the visualization for Amoresco Inc.'s average GAAP and effective tax rates by tax year. Click on the visualization. Expand the Filters menu and the Fields menu, and expand the field list. We created a variable that will help us limit this visualization to the data just for our company. This would be our firm ID field. Go ahead and click and drag the firm ID field over to the filters on just this visual. Then select the option for True. Let's remember to change the title of our visualization using the General menu. And in this case, we're going to change the industry to our particular company. Good job! You have created your second visualization. Use this visualization to answer the questions regarding your company's GAAP and ITEP effective tax rates by tax year. In the next video, you'll learn how to create new fields so that you can display both your company and the industry effective tax rates on the same visualization.